What if saving the planet was as simple as changing one small habit today? Every tree we plant, every piece of trash we pick up, and every choice to reuse instead of waste, these actions add up. Nature is our home, our playground, and our lifeline. But it needs us now more than ever. Protecting the environment isn't just about grand gestures. It's about everyday actions, choosing to walk instead of drive, supporting local eco-friendly businesses, and teaching others to care. When we protect nature, we protect our future. Let's stand together, because a healthier Earth means a better life for all of us. Will you join us?